How to register for OKX affiliate program. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register for OKX affiliate program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to buyfuture.net OKX affiliate program, or you can simply click the link on the description below, and you will be directed in this page, in which from here, it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can join the affiliate program of OKX. But before that, let's start knowing this platform. OKX is a global digital asset exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade wide range of cryptocurrencies, and it offers a variety of trading pairs, including popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more, in which users can trade these cryptocurrencies against other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies like USD or Euro. And as you can see here, this platform has dedicated 24/7 support, in which anytime you face any issue, the customer support will be at your service. And aside from that, they could also track performance, in which keeping track of detailed data about your invitees and earnings in real time, so you can get first-hand data insights. They are also partnered with sub-affiliates, in which you can build and manage your own team and work together with sub-affiliate to expand your reach. And lastly, they have instant messaging, in which you can chat with your invitees one-on-one or in a group chat on OKX anytime, anywhere. And below here, you will see the step on how to submit an application, in which, as you can see here, for the first step, we have the two methods, such as for the first one is to take a few minutes to fill out all of the required application form, and after that, they will review it, and once it's approved, you will receive an affiliate link. While the second method in submitting an application is to invite 10 eligible users and become a crypto affiliate instantly, without the need of approval, and followed by spread the word or share the affiliate link to other people or invitees, and when they use your link to sign up in this platform, you will earn a commission. While below that, it will show you some of the options that you could also navigate about this platform. We have here the products, services, support, and many more. While if you go back to the top panel, it will show you some of the options, including buy crypto, discover, trade, grow, build, institutional, and many more. And now that we know the background info about this platform and other services that this platform offers, we can now go back to this link, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And below here, you will see the step-by-step process on how to become a partnership affiliate, in which this OKX affiliate program offers a commission up to 45%. And to register, just proceed by clicking the step 1 that says register an account, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And to create an account, you have the two options, and the first one is using your phone number, while the second option is using your email address. However, you could also log in using your Google account or your Telegram account, but I choose to continue using my Google account. And upon clicking on it, it will show you a CAPTCHA or puzzle that you need to slide, which is for security purposes. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to select your country or region of residence. And upon clicking on it, it will show you a variety of country, and just select your country you're into. Then proceed by clicking the next button and confirm. And after that, you will be directed in here. And it says here that you can download this app for your desktop or your mobile phone. And aside from that, you could also navigate some of the options on the top panel. And from here, you could also proceed by clicking the wallet, in which upon clicking on it, you will be able to connect your wallet, such as your MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase, and many more. And below here, you could also download a Chrome extension of this platform. Now moving on to the next step, or step 2 of joining to the affiliate program of OKX, it says here that the next thing that you need to do is to message them to request partner registration using the form below. And the form with the context, activate the affiliate program for me, Gmail or your OKX register phone number, in which below you just need to enter your Gmail or your phone number that you use to register in this platform. And to message them in their fan page Facebook, just proceed by clicking this link, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. However, make sure that before you click the link directly to their fan page, make sure that you copy this form below, starting from activate the affiliate program for me to thank you. And after selecting the form, just copy this form and proceed to the fan page Facebook. And from here, you will see the other details about this fan page Facebook. Below, you can scroll down to some of their posts to know the details about this fan page. However, the next thing that we need to do is to click the message button in here. Upon clicking on message button, the next thing that you need to do is to paste the form that you just copy in here. And inside the form, just enter your email address or your phone number that you use to register on the OKX platform. And after successfully entering your Gmail or your phone number, you can now proceed by sending this message. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to just wait for it to respond, since it will take time to activate your affiliate program account. And while we're waiting, we can just scroll down to this fan page Facebook account to know and discover more about the OKX affiliate program. And this platform is also important to know since it provides a market presence, since OKX was one of the largest and most well-established cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Its significant market presence and user base made it an important player in the cryptocurrency industry. And aside from that, OKX offered a diverse selection of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs in which allowed users to access a broad range of digital assets for trading and investment purposes. And by joining to their affiliate program, you will get a benefits of earning potential, expanding user base, access to marketing resources, networking opportunities, enhanced platform reputation, and many more. Now going back to this page, if there are still no response from this fan page, we can just do the same process, sending the messages using the form that we just copied. Make sure to include your email address or your registered phone number. And as you can see here, for the second attempt of sending messages, the fan page has now been seen our messages that we just sent to them. And all we need to do is to wait for the response of activating our account. And as you can see here, it reply or respond done to our messages. And all you need to do is to go back in this page and just refresh it. And now, you will see that you have now successfully joined the OKX affiliate program. And this is the overview of this page. And from here, you will see the statistics, including the number of invites, the number of traders, your total commissions, and below here, under the default link, you will see the affiliate link that you can copy in order to invite other people in using this platform, and the commission that you will get upon sharing or inviting other people using your affiliate link contain a 45% commission rate. So that is just how to register for OKX affiliate program. Thank you.